Did you know there are plants that grow so fast and so beautifully that they can replace your entire garden fence in just one season? And most of them double as powerful medicine you can harvest right in your backyard. Today I'm going to show you 11 incredible medicinal plants that grow faster than bamboo. And trust me, number 7 is going to completely change how you think about your garden. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 11 medicinal plants grow fast enough to form a living green fence, plants that give you privacy, beauty, and natural medicine all at once. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the one plant on this list that most gardeners completely overlook, but healers have used for centuries. You will not want to miss it. Most people put up ugly fences, but today I'll show you exactly how to create a living medicinal fence that grows faster than bamboo, even if you've never tried growing a hedge before. Welcome back to Simple Smart Gardening Tips. I'm Bruce, and on this channel I share easy, practical gardening tips that actually work, whether you have a big garden or just a small balcony. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new gardening tips every week and you don't want to miss what's coming up. Today's video, we're covering 11 fast-growing medicinal plants that can form a beautiful, functional green fence, giving you privacy, shade, and a home pharmacy, all in one. Before we get started, here's everything you'll need. Don't worry, it's all simple and very affordable. A notepad or phone to jot down your favorite picks from the list. Basic garden tools: spade, watering can, and mulch. A measuring tape to plan your fence line spacing. Step 1. Plants 1-3. The fast starters. Let's kick things off with the 3 fastest growing medicinal fence plants. These are your best choices if you need results this season. Plant 1. Elderberry, Sambucus nigra, grows 6-10 ft in one season. The berries and flowers are powerful immune boosters. You can make syrups, teas, and tinctures. Plant in full sun and give it space to spread. Plant 2. Comfrey Symphytum officinale. This one has explosive growth and deep roots that break up compacted soil. The large leaves are famous for healing poultices and are rich in nutrients. It also makes excellent mulch for the plants around it. Plant 3. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, spreads rapidly and smells incredible. It's a calming herb used for stress, anxiety, and sleep, and the bees absolutely love it. Keep it slightly contained, or it will happily take over. Common mistake. Most people plant these too close together. Give each one at least 4 or 5 feet of space. They need room to become the powerhouse plants they're meant to be. Step 2. Plants 4-6. The mid-season climbers. Now that we've covered our fastest starters, let's look at 3 plants that take a little longer to establish. But once they do, they are absolutely unstoppable. Plant 4. Passion flower, Passiflora incarnata, a vining climber that covers a fence beautifully with exotic blooms. Every part of the plant is medicinal, widely used to relieve anxiety and insomnia. Train it along a wire frame and watch it transform your fence line. Plant 5. Roselle hibiscus, Hibiscus sabdarifa, grows 6-8 ft tall with stunning crimson calyces that are harvested for heart-healthy teas and jams. It's also one of the most beautiful plants you can grow. People will stop and stare. Plant 6. Valeriana officinalis, tall, feathery, and aromatic. The roots are one of the most well-known natural remedies for sleep and stress. It flowers in its 2nd year and looks spectacular in a hedgerow. Pro tip: passion flower is a secret weapon for fence coverage. Train it along a wire fence frame and it will completely cover it with exotic blooms within 2 seasons, and every part of the plant is medicinal. Step 3. Plants 7-9. The underrated powerhouses. Here's where most people give up on their medicinal fence, but these next 3 plants make all the difference. Number 7 especially is one I wish I'd planted years earlier. Plant 7. Moringa oleifera. In warm climates, moringa grows 10-15 ft in a single year. Every single part, leaf, pod, seed, and root, is packed with nutrition and medicine. It's been called the miracle tree for good reason. Plant 8. Mugwort Artemisia vulgaris, a vigorous, tall grower that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for digestion, pain relief, and interestingly, vivid and lucid dreaming. A truly ancient and underrated herb. Plant 9, yarrow, Achillea millefolium, spreads by rhizome and creates a dense, feathery border. Yarrow is one of the oldest wound-healing herbs known. It also reduces fever and supports circulation. Beautiful and practical. I planted moringa in the corner of my garden almost as an experiment. By the end of summer, it was taller than my fence post. I've been drying the leaves for tea ever since, and I genuinely feel the difference. It's now my favorite plant in the whole garden. Finally, our last two picks. Both of these are beautiful enough to be ornamental and powerful enough to be medicinal. Plant 10, Wormhood Artemisia absinthium, striking silvery gray foliage that creates a beautiful visual contrast in any hedge. Traditionally used as an anti-parasitic and digestive bitter, it's bold, architectural, and completely unlike anything else in the garden. Plant 11, Marshmallow Althea officinalis, tall, soft, and elegant. The root, leaves, and flowers are all used to soothe the throat, gut lining, and skin. This plant looks like it belongs in a cottage garden, and the bees can't get enough of it. These two plants give your medicinal fence a finished, professional look. The silver gray wormhood beside the deep green marshmallow creates a stunning natural border that people will ask you about every single time they visit. Before I wrap up, I want to share one bonus tip that most gardeners never think about when planting a medicinal hedge: the 3-layer method. Plant your fence in layers. Put your tall plants like moringa and elderberry at the back. Your medium growers like valerian and roselle go in the middle, and your low spreaders like comfrey and lemon balm go at the front. This 3-layer method creates a natural microclimate. The taller plants shelter the smaller ones. Everything grows faster, and you get easy harvesting access from the front. It looks incredible, it works with nature, and it dramatically increases your success rate, even in difficult climates. This layered planting method mimics how plants grow in nature, and it's the single biggest thing you can do to make your medicinal fence thrive from year one. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 11 medicinal fence plants are you most excited to try? I read every single comment, and I'd love to know what you're planning to grow this season. If this video helped you, please hit subscribe so you never miss a new tip. I share practical gardening ideas every week, and there's a lot more coming. Today we walked through 11 incredible medicinal plants, from fast-starting elderberry and comfrey to the underrated powerhouse moringa, all the way to the beautiful finishing touches of wormhood and marshmallow. Every single one of them can form a living green fence that grows faster than bamboo and heals you while it grows. Your garden has so much more potential than a wooden fence or a bare wall. A living medicinal hedge gives you privacy, beauty, and natural healing, all growing right outside your door. You've got this. Keep it simple, keep it growing.